Hello, you're watching ModShapes. I'm Alex Steele, and today I'm testing out my little Ryobi +1 rotary tool. Let's go! And my verdict is this is a great little tool. Now, it does require safety precautions, and it's pretty messy, so I think for next use I'll be using it outside, weather permitting, just for the ease of cleanup, because I literally only carved for like, what, a minute total, and I had to clean up for half an hour, as usual. This is a great little tool for the money. It took smaller bites than I expected. I think with a little bit of work I can master it. The next time I'll post a video about it, I'm going to be doing some sculptures. I have a couple of really awesome pieces of resin that I have been saving for something like this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.